Hey guys, I was just making sure the volume was turned up. I hope this video works better than yesterday's did. I'm actually wearing the same clothes because it's the same day. I'm recording this on Wednesday, but actually it's Thursday. I'm in a meeting this morning, but I will be back this afternoon, so I'm looking forward to seeing you. So I want to go over the rotations. One of the rotations is with Mrs. Pavlik. So Taya, make sure you're being respectful. All of you enjoy going to Mrs. Pavlik, so check the chart and see if it's your time to go to Mrs. Pavlik. Another rotation is at teacher table, and you know how to do that. Mrs. Harold will be there. A third rotation will be on Seesaw. And if you have your research completed, then you go on Seesaw and you use the drawing tool. Draw a picture of the ocean. Draw your animal in the ocean. So it looks like Devlin would draw an octopus if he finishes his research. He would draw his octopus in the ocean and then record yourself reading your research. So if I was Denairis, I would draw a picture. His is done. I would draw a picture of the ocean. I would put a conch in the ocean, draw that, and then record your voice, Denairis, saying, my animal is a conch. It lives in the ocean, the actual Caribbean Sea. It eats plants and algae material. Nurse sharks eat the conch. It's adapted for its survival. It has 2 pairs of antennas. So just read your whole chart, and then you'll post it to Seesaw. So that's one of your rotations. Another one of your rotations is if you use your vocabulary, your oceans vocabulary, you pick 2 words and you use the comic strip page. So up on the board, it'll say vocab comic strip. So if you chose tide, then you would write tide right here, and then you would draw a picture of the tide in the ocean. So maybe here it's low tide, you see lots of sand, you see lots of rocks. Here the tide gets a little higher, so the water goes up a little more. And then maybe here you can't see any of the sand or rocks, it's just all water. And maybe you put the moon up in the sky because the moon is the reason we have tide. Then maybe down here you choose to do sunlight zone. Sunlight zone, which is one of your vocabulary words. And then you draw a picture of the sunlight zone in different parts. So like maybe you draw it, you put the sun up here, and then you draw lots of different animals in the sunlight zone of the ocean. Okay, so those are your rotations for Thursday, April 26th. I will see you this afternoon.